So I recently came across the show on Netflix. It is when they see it's called When They See Us. I've read the review of it. It's very interesting. It's based on a true story that happened years ago in Central Park, and I just see what it brings with it. The review that I've read so far, they seem very sad, as well as their eye opener for persons of color and what exists out there with our justice system and how racism is actually alive, like literally out there in our faces. Racism is quite heavy in this show, as well as it highlights the justice system as well. So just go and watch and see what this show really comes with.